This is a TI-89 titanium program app that I've programmed for the titanium with regard to physics, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how it works with beads on a wire. In many tests they always have that problem in there, and from many people I've found, and so I want to address that. Let's get started. In my programs, to get into my menu, you have to enter second alpha and put the letters PHYSICS in there, and then push alpha to enter the closed and open parentheses. And then press enter and you're into my menu. There's many things in this menu to help you pass in your homework. And you can scroll down to all kinds of things, all alphabetical order: fluids, friction, path of objects, cord over a pulley, that's Atwood machine, strain, stress, tension, vectors. Vectors are a great program that I've programmed. Velocity, and here's velocity and beads again, and velocity and objects. So let's go up to beads on a wire. And you're given two options. One is just a regular bead sliding down the wire, or sometimes they have in a test two beads colliding. And we're going to demonstrate bead sliding on a wire, this one. You're finding the velocities for different points on that wire. And here's the formula. You notice there's mass in here, but one thing about physics is that they can cancel mass out. Which happens in a vacuum. And so you're dividing both sides by m. So here's the formula without the mass in there. And we're asked to, you have to press alpha before you enter anything in my entry lines. You're asked for initial velocity. If it's at rest, then you just push alpha and put a 0 in there. They give you the initial height. We can say it's alpha of 4.89, and then of course sometimes they give you centimeters, other times meters. I give you that option. I'm saying it's meters right now. You can scroll down, or you can press the number before this, and then the final, you're going to find the velocity at a final height, and so we're going to press alpha, maybe let's say 3.15, and again centimeters or meters. I say it's meters. I always show you what you've entered so you can change it in case you made a mistake. I say it's okay, so I'm going to press number 1, and we go through the formula again, and then we enter your parameters in here in the formula. It multiplies this out here, does that calculation, and then takes the 9.8 and does that calculation, just like you would on your paper if you was doing the problem on paper. And here we're taking the 0.5 and dividing it by 17 on the other side, which is v final squared, and that calculates to 34.1. Square root of 34 is 5.8428. That's the reason that everything is so wonderful in my programs, because of the step-by-step applications. So pretty neat. Go to my site, www.everystepphysics.com. Enjoy my programs and pass physics.